Alright, we have just had one of the most epic days at the port of Brisbane fishing soft vibes and metal slugs. As you can see, that is tuna blood. And we did not leave the port, we didn't go out to the bay. Yes, there were monster tuna busting up in the port. Flathead, snapper. So make sure you stay tuned, this is going to be one epic video.
Nice.
That's a crock and a half. That's over 60. Down here at the port of Brisbane, throwing some soft zerek vibes. Bouncing off the bottom, we just picked up this nice 61 centimetre flatty. Beautiful fish.
Huh?
This is one we come from. Just drive it forward a bit. And that way. I'm trying to think of big cod now. I think big cod. I think big cod. Alright, neutral? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Go. Neutral.
Holy splasher. He's got some weight.
That's a cod and a half. Whoa!
No.
That's a cod. Nice big solid estuary cod pulled from the wharfs here at Brisbane. Just dropping these soft vibes down. This guy come out and he just absolutely crunched it. We'll show you what we're doing soon. Pretty much just teabagging these soft vibes underneath the boat. These guys are coming out and just crunching it. Lauren just got a little tailor. So we've got a tailor, a couple brim, a nice flathead and a nice cod now. So it's turning out to be a nice day. It's a little bit windy out here, but if you're sitting on the couch then you can't catch the fish, can you? So we're going to keep at it and hopefully that thready or jew comes along. All I've got is 30-pound braid, 40-pound trace, little zerek, soft vibe. That's all we're doing. Keep dropping it straight down. Wait till we make contact with the bottom. Okay. There we go, so we've got that belly in the line, that's how we know we've made contact with the bottom. All we're doing is drifting up and down, just teabagging these vibes, making sure we make contact with the bottom every time we're dropping it back down. So let's hit the bottom. And then we're just going to continuously teabag and drift along these wharfs until we get a bite. So, alright, we'll keep at it. Alright, ready? I believe we've just hooked into a thready. Let's keep it back up that way. Back.
I'm going to
okay. We're just going to get away from that. Turn the wheel the other way. Just put it in neutral. It's a big snap.
Oh,
Look at the size of this snapper. Oh, you're joking. My line. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me.
I'm just gonna keep it here.
Oh, you're kidding.
Look at that.
I don't believe it, eh? That is a horse snapper at the port on a vibe. How about that? And that's why you get out of bed early, is to catch fish like that. I can't believe that.
Look at that.
And we have just landed this slab of snapper. Just dropping teabag in that vibe like I was telling you before. This guy come out and absolutely railed it. I thought it was a threadfin salmon, but I'll happily take a snapper as a bycatch any day of the week. Look at that for a fish. Stunning. Have a nice cod. Got to feed, so we'll put this guy back. Turning out to be a great day in the water. Pinned him under there. Alright, chuck this guy back. Get on.
Wasn't the most graceful. Oh man. What are the chances?
Go forward, go forward, go forward. Slow. Yeah, slow. Okay, go, Lauren, go. We're going to get the milk.
How far?
Slow, slow.
Keep going?
Yep, keep going at this speed. Go faster. A bit faster.
Good?
Yep. Alright, neutral.
Through the gap or the net?
The net.
Forward?
That's alright, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Go forward a bit.
Like this?
Yeah. Neutral.
Yep. Net or not yet?
Go for net.
Okay. Oh my god.
I don't know if it's a mackerel or long.
Oh, just get it up.
In the port. Alright, Lauren.
Do I get spotters for
Grab
it?
your net, it's a long. Oh, and it's a big net. It's a nappy. Tail wrap.
Oh no. Pulling back more.
I'm dead. Holy moly.
Look at him. Oh, can I have some milk in a minute?
Okay.
I can't look.
Oh, that is an
A stonker.
absolute stonker. Monster Mac tuna. This is a beast. We saw him busting up when we were vibing. Had the halco twisty on there. Threw it out and crunch. This is one of the best sessions we have had. Look at the size of that in the port of Brisbane. Tuna. What a beast and my arm's getting sore. I'm gonna try and release him, but he's bleeding a lot. We'll see how we go.